you and I have known each other a really, really long time, and I'm really glad that you have joined as Brighter Day is, opened up or, begun working in Nashville, Tennessee. And I wanted to just give you an opportunity to let our listeners know a little bit more about your involvement with the law and why you started working as a legal assistant.
Well, I started close to 5 years ago with my sister and brother-in-law, who are attorneys in Nashville, working as their legal assistant. The legal assistant that they had had at that time was leaving, and I had no experience, actually. I'd worked in admin positions, but my brother-in-law and sister asked me to come, and they said, "We'll train you," and it was really great experience. And they were great teachers and patient, and I just came to love it. I really love it, and I love being able to work with my family because we've had a lot of practice, through the years and working
Right.
together, and I feel like it's a really good fit, and we just love it.
We were talking a little bit earlier today about like family being sort of those people you choose, and so just we've interviewed before Paul Rutherford and Wendy Rutherford. Wendy's your sister, and Paul's your brother-in-law, and I've talked before on air about your family and extended family being, my family of choice. You guys kind of adopted me coming out of law school in my family, and kind of took us in and made us a part of your big extended family, which you guys do with lots and lots and loads of people. And so it's interesting to me. I always thought it was great that Wendy's practice area, her concentration of adoption is particularly well suited for just the way that your family is with people in general.
Yes, and I just feel so blessed to be able to work with her and do work with adopted families. It's so important for people to be able to adopt, and it's really a blessing. It's a blessing to be a part of it.
Now, you got to be involved, very hands-on, but last week in an adoption, and without sharing any, client identifying information. Tell me about that.
It was just really neat because it was a emergency situation. We were able to jump on it right away. I was able to go to the hospital and meet with the adoptive parents and the birth mother, and that was very emotional. It was a very conflicted emotion because on one hand you feel very compassionate and sad for someone, but also so proud of them. I was just very proud of her bravery and the way that she handled the situation. And then I was just very happy for the young couple that's getting their baby.
Yeah.
It was great.